In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Dualless to Chrome. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully open and ready because everything in this setup happens directly inside Chrome. Dualless is a lightweight extension designed to help you organize your browser windows more efficiently, especially if you like multitasking or working with two pages side by side on a single screen. Once Chrome is open, go to the Chrome Web Store. This is the official place where Chrome extensions can be safely found and installed. Using the Web Store helps make sure you're downloading the correct tool and not a copy or unrelated extension. When you're in the Chrome Web Store, use the search bar to look for Dualless. Type the name clearly so the correct result appears. From the search results, select Dualless. For those who don't have Dual Monitor, that is the extension you want to install. After opening the extensions page, click Add to Chrome. Chrome will then show a confirmation prompt so you can review the installation. To continue, click Add Extension. This confirms that you want Chrome to install Dualless and make it available in your browser. Give it a moment to finish installing. Once the extension has been added, you can access it from the extensions icon in the Chrome toolbar. This icon looks like a small puzzle piece and is usually located near the top right area of the browser window. Click it to see your installed extensions. If you want faster access in the future, you can pin Dualless so its icon stays visible in the toolbar. That makes it much easier to use whenever you need it. Now that it's installed, here's what Dualless actually does. It splits your Chrome window into two resizable sections, which is useful when you want to compare pages, read one document while writing in another tab, or keep a reference page open while you work. It supports several split ratios, including 50-50, 60-40, and 70-30, so you can choose a layout that fits your task. It also makes it easy to arrange windows side by side for smoother multitasking. And if you no longer need the split view, Dualless can merge the windows back into a single window. As a quick tip, after installing the extension, click the Dualless icon and choose a split ratio to instantly arrange your browser windows side by side. It's a simple feature, but it can save time and make your workspace feel much more organized.